You'll have love at first sight with the 2019 Ford Explorer. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Handsome and rugged, this Explorer delivers solid midsize SUV versatility. You'll tackle every project and adventure with confidence and style, whether you're towing, off-roading, or building road trip memories. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear AC, third row seat, power driver seat. Feel confident on every journey when you're behind the wheel of this Explorer. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our friendly staff will give you an outstanding customer experience.